In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a line graph in Google Sheets. Inserting a line graph is quite easy. Our first step would be to select our dataset or our data range, go to Insert in the menu bar, and select Chart. Once you click on that, you will be given a suggested chart, which is a line chart for our dataset. So here we have it, and we can click on it, reposition it, and resize it. We're just going to put it under our dataset right here, and on the right side, you'll see our chart editor. We have our setup and our customize. Let's click on customize and customize our line chart. We're going to start with our chart style, where you can customize the background color, the font, the chart border color, and the layout. So if we click on smooth, it will smoothen our lines right here. Maximize would be to just zoom in on it, and so on. So we're not going to select anything on chart style. We're going to move on to chart and axis titles. We're going to rename our chart title. Let's say our annual product sales. When you're done, you will automatically see it be replaced right here. And you can also change the font size, the font style, the format, and the text color. Now we're not going to change it right now. We're going to move on to the series, where we have the different lines right here. So if you click on it right here on the chart, it will appear. And if you want to change the color, you can do so. Just select it, and there you have it. Oops, we already have a green one. So let's choose another one. Let's say purple. Okay. But if you go back to this one, we can apply it to all the series. And if we make any changes like our line dash type, let's say you want it to look like this one and make it thicker, you can do so. Point size, maybe 7. And the point would be a different shape. Let's say a diamond. Totally up to you. After the series, we have our legend, which is right here at the top. Now you can move it to the bottom or to the left. And you have some more right here, but we're not going to do that anymore. Basically, those are some of the choices that you can choose from to customize your line chart. And that's how easy it is to insert a line graph or a line chart in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.